Lots of sunshine expected on this Monday, the final week of winter. We're also tracking temperatures in the 50s, 60s, and even a 70 on the 7-day forecast. It is the battle of spring and winter. And as you can see behind me, winter is winning this one out. Storm Scan 3 picking up on these snow squalls. And these are feisty little bands of snow that have reduced visibility, dealing with a cold front that's draped over the state there, and that's producing a couple of showers. Back here at home, we're looking at smooth sailing, a few instability showers. Your extended outlook shows this is system number 2. It will arrive as we approach Wednesday afternoon. That's when the snow will begin to fall. The worst of it, the heaviest intensity, will be falling Wednesday night and into our Thursday morning. Take a look at the coastal plain, South Jersey, along the shore, extending south into Delaware. These are the areas, unfortunately, that will be in rain all day. Hopefully the weather cooperates. Janelle, not so much as we approach this afternoon, especially this afternoon as we are tracking the threat for severe weather. So we're going to jump ahead and get right to that. Right now we are tracking the first initial round of rain, and it's associated with a warm front that's beginning to lift over the region. It's what's priming the atmosphere for the threat for severe weather later on this afternoon. So timing it out for us, the timing of concern is going to be between the hours of 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. tonight. Take a look at 6 o'clock. It shows a line of storms, and we can even see some buoying further south into Maryland. Right here at home, we're also going to see a line of thunderstorms begin to form later on in the afternoon, early evening. The number one impact associated with any one of these storms that does form: strong damaging wind gusts and heavy rain. Now, this is going to be blowing through the region here during the evening rush, which is certainly could be dangerous to drive in this type of weather. As we move the clock forward, 8 p.m. shows a lot of the heavy stuff begins to dissipate as the air begins to stabilize this line of storms. Of course, that cooler air off of the ocean will help stabilize the atmosphere there. So right now the Jersey Shore may be spared, which is why they are under a marginal risk, which is level 1 out of 5. On Friday, we're still unsettled with scattered showers. It's not until the weekend that we finally have dry air move in. Notice your severe weather threats. It's strong winds and heavy rain that are leading the board, but an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. Here's a look at your 7-day. We have to just get over today and tomorrow, and then conditions do dry out, but they also heat up. We're looking at 90s starting on Sunday. That'll stick around through Wednesday of next week. It's going to be a swell. They're probably in the water.
Yes.
Or maybe they went onto the boardwalk to get something to eat. It is lunchtime after all. And I'll tell you, I'm hungry, and my exact intention is to sit outside and eat something. So maybe you should too. Just head out there, even if it's 5 minutes, because it's so nice out there. We do have rain in that forecast, as we've been hinting. The rain moves in for St. Patrick's Day, but today enjoy plenty of sunshine. Enjoy these unseasonably warm temperatures, and of course spring right around the corner, just days away at this point. Tonight it does remain mild, in fact above average for overnight lows. 47 degrees, partly cloudy and calm, and showers develop after midnight. So through the overnight we'll have some rain out there, and that rain will fill in as the day carries on. This is our storm. It's still ways away, but it does have plenty of real estate to move through before it heads to our neck of the woods. And this is what it looks like tomorrow, Thursday. As early as 8 a.m., we're going to be tracking rain, and some of that rain can be quite heavy, and that'll be the case at least to around lunchtime. We could see another pocket of heavy rain between the hours of noon and 2 before the rain does become more scattered like. Notice how much cooler it's going to be come tomorrow at this time. We'll only be in the 50s here, and that'll be the daytime high as we kick off the second half of the work week. So rain moves through first thing Thursday morning, will linger into parts of the afternoon before this disturbance lifts north. It's a coastal storm, and it's just rain because of how mild it is, and it is going to be mild and still above average even as we head towards tomorrow, Thursday. On Saturday, here's our next shot of rain. This one moves in Saturday early. It's associated with a cold front, and it'll generate rain, maybe even a few claps of thunder as we approach Saturday afternoon. This system also pulls away as we approach Saturday night. Here's a quick peek at the 7-day forecast. Today, beautiful weather. Get out there. Seriously, get out there and enjoy. A daytime high of 71 degrees, the perfect type of weather to let the kids play in the backyard, take them to the park, take a stroll with your loved one. It'll be nice to spend some time outdoors. By tomorrow, rain, so have the umbrella on standby as we're tracking rain from start to finish. That gives way to a beautiful Friday. If you can't get out there today, you'll have another shot to head out on Friday. Mostly sunny, temperatures peak on Friday with a daytime high of 73. It does still stay mild for Saturday, but Saturday we have the rain. We also have the chance for an isolated thunderstorm. That cold front pushes through. It does give way to a cooler start to spring. Spring takes place at 11:33 Sunday morning, and then on Monday it'll feel like spring with lots of sunshine and a high of 64.